In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Snapchat filter feature. So step one, all you have to do is to launch your Snapchat application, but you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Snapchat. To do that, you can go to Google Play Store, type Snapchat and check if your Snapchat is up to date. Or if not, all you have to do is to click update in order for you to use the latest version and feature of Snapchat. So to start, all you have to do is to simply look for someone. Let's just say you wanted to call a friend and you wanted to use this Snapchat filter while calling that person through video call. So you just have to tap this my friends here. And then second step is search for that person's name or friend on Snapchat. Okay, for example, I am going to call Shadow. Okay, tap this one. Okay, step three is to tap this video icon here to start calling the person. So once you tap this one and you see your video or your face facing the camera and you want to edit or to look different in front of your friend while calling, you can simply go to this part here and you can start using Snapchat filter. So you have options here and choices here. So that's the first thing. Okay, step four is that you can also use Snapchat filter when you open camera. Same thing, you just have to click this part here and then select the right filter for you or for that picture or image that you want to edit. Okay, so we have tons of different filters here for video or for image. So always remember that you can use Snapchat filter for videos and images. So feel free to capture or import images or videos from your gallery to Snapchat. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.